All right, so it would be out, down, up. There it is. And if it can be done forward, it can be done back again. And it's closed. Same motion. Down, up. And you should be able to go down, out, back to get the exact opposite.
Down, out, back. Oh, shit.
Yeah, you get the exact opposite. So
Wait. So I could down, out, back to close it too?
yes, you can. Down, out,
Hold on.
back.
Oh, shit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And that's what that is in speed motion. That's what that is. But you gotta feel it, though. You gotta feel it. And that's how you go from that to something like a rollover over the thumb, understanding the momentum and how the blade is going to move. You know where the blade is going to be. It's not random. It's controlled. Yeah. And you flip.
That's crazy. Out, roll, over, dump, shit. Over, out. Roll. Roll back over, dump. Catch. Close. Out, roll, over, dump. Look. Out, roll, over, dump. Catch. Close. Shit, I did it.